Hello everybody, Graeme from Frontenac Cycle here with another video. Today, as you can see, I'm sitting in front of the green beast here, my daily commuter. We're going to be talking about tire wear, what to look for, when you might want to change your tires, and the benefits of doing that. So as I'm sure all of you know, the tires on your bicycle are made of rubber, and over time rubber will degrade through natural use and just weathering. The rear tire typically wears before the front. More of your weight is over the back tire. If you ever have to do kind of an emergency stop, typically you would be skidding the back tire. So for those reasons, the rear tire tends to wear before the front. You'll notice, the sidewalls can start to get crosshatching and deteriorate. The top tread will smooth out a little bit and cause kind of a squaring off of the tire. So those are definitely some indicators that your tires are worn. So like any of the other components on your bike, tires do benefit from regular inspection and cleaning. When you clean the tire regularly, and I'm just talking about with a brush or a rag, and inspecting the tire, you can find little bits of glass or metal that might be halfway through the tire, not all the way through, puncturing the tube. So you can find things that are going to be a cause of a flat and get rid of them, as well as checking to see if you might have developed a small hole or a cut somewhere where the tube is likely to poke out, and again causing potentially a dangerous blowout, or at the very least a flat tire. So regular inspection and cleaning goes a long way. So as you can see here, this tire is a perfect example of what we would call crosshatching. This will happen to a tire when you're running at a low pressure. Low pressure is good for grip, but it will prematurely wear the sidewalls of your tire, which can eventually cause a weak spot and potentially a blowout. So I hope you found this video helpful. Just to kind of sum it up, tire wear is not a perfect science, from how heavy you are to the type of riding you do. The length, the life of your tires will vary. My tires, I have about 5,000 commuting kilometers on them. That's mostly on pavement, some gravel, towing a trailer, groceries, all that stuff. So from bike to bike and person to person, it will vary. If you do have other questions, just come down to the shop. We're happy to discuss what tire is best for you, and the importance of cleaning and monitoring your tires is that you'll avoid potential blowouts and catastrophe on the road. As always, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you'll see more awesome content. Thanks a lot.